gotta be a better way to clean your brushes. Hi, my name is David. I'm an ME co-op at FirstBuild, and this is the automatic artist brush washer. So the reason why we made this here is because one of the most annoying parts about painting is after you're done with a session, you have to clean all your paintbrushes or they get gunked up with all the dry paint and you can't really reuse them. And painting the brushes takes up a lot of time and a bit of effort. So we thought it'd just be easier to have something that you just stick your brushes in and it'll clean them for you. All right, so we have this really early stage prototype and this is about a rough mock-up of it. Basically what we did is we took some other ideas and put them together to make it automatic. So we have this brush washing spring to actually clean the bristles without breaking them. And we attached it to an old blender function to actually have it rotate. We basically took the cup of the blender and made it to hold the brushes still so that they can get pressure against this washing spring. So really we were designing and making this for all the home artists and homemakers. People who like to paint for, a pastime or a hobby, who are just getting into painting, and they don't want to spend too much time worrying about whether their brushes are clean or if they're doing it too hard and actually harming the brushes. So we at FirstBuild would love to know what y'all think. Is this a problem that you have to deal with? Is this something that's really annoying to you? What kind of changes do you think we should add to this prototype so it can actually better serve the artist community? Obviously, this is still really early in the beta testing. Got a lot of work to do, but I appreciate all the feedback and the comments. Go ahead and check out our other videos, and we will see you down the line.